On this universal power adapter power supply, it might be confusing on how to take off the plug or put it on to change it. When they come in new, they might not have the plug. And what you would do on this type, this has a release button. Look under here, see where the pins are. This small lip is going to be tucking in here. The larger lip is going to be on top. We'll just put it straight down onto the contacts right above. Push down flat and push this way. Sometimes it'll click, but make sure it's flat and in there. Here's when we're going to take it off. Just going to press this button. Releases. The writing is facing this way. Going to put it straight down on these contacts. Keep it flat. This particular power adapter is a 5-volt 2 amp, and these are some markings that might be on it. It might have different labels, but this is the one we use for the Lombart M Series slit lamps.